Okay, so there was a little bird, and I took it in, and it couldn't fly, and I fed it, and now it can fly, and now it follows me. And now watch me as I call upon my birds. Mr. Seagull! Yeah, so anyway, that's Mr. Seagull. So that's Daphne, and then that's Mr. Seagull. Daphne, I fed them before they could fly, and Mr. Seagull right here has taken in a whole different bird that's not his. And I've been feeding this bird for about 2 months now. And I don't know if it knows how to eat worms or not. It makes me nervous, but it's a beautiful bird. Mr. Seagull.